She start cursing. Hold on, just hold on now. Wait a minute. People, grandparents in here. She said, "Hold on, fuck it is, dummy." Like you can't just be like that in the middle of the MG. Y'all ain't ready for this shit.
Y'all ain't ready for this shit.
Yeah, this is about to be loud. I'm going in the back.
We're gonna go crazy, y'all.
I'm going in the back. See. Oh man. That's why you don't let children get the microphone. All right. Talk. Go ahead, talk. Yeah. Oh, we got the screens.
Hey yo, how you hear it up there?
Good. It's perfect. Yep.
There's no echo, is it?
No echo.
I like this.
Yeah.
Now, it get loud as shit.
Yeah. You good?
Hey. All right, so I'm gonna say the same thing, y'all. Let me know if it echo. Well, I'm talking now, and it's not. But when I get louder, because I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna be loud. Hey, fuck it is, dummy. Stop with your horse. I'm gonna turn up with you bitch ass lame stuff.
Please don't do that, y'all.
Man, say less. It'll come back.
Say less.
It'll be like, for everybody white and not from Baltimore. How you guys doing tonight? About to have a good show. I don't think you guys are ready for the energy I'm about to give to you guys tonight. So let's get started.
And then yeah. Good in the back.
See what's up? Taking you on a country slow start wearing go-go dancing. What's up, Mo? What's up, Mo? You good? Straight? Yeah, I gotta change my shoe strap. I got time. Oh shit. The lights on and everything. But we getting ready for the show tonight. Sound check is on. What's up, everybody? Thank y'all for joining. I can't even really see because the light is in my face. I like this time.
It's good. You want to hear from back there?
Yeah.
Out now, brown cow. Out now, brown cow. You already know what it is. Out now, brown cow. The skeleton took shampoo in the shower. The arsonist has oddly shaped feet. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? As much as a woodchuck could chuck wood if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Out now, brown cow. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you guys for coming out tonight, man. Y'all been an amazing crowd. Just as back there getting it together. Make sure we get the sound on. We want to hear it from all the way in the crowd area. Check one, check. Freestyle real quick. Check. You hear? Just hilarious. Coming to you live from the MGM Grand. I like how it cut off. Like as soon as you finish saying it, like, hey, and it just off. Right. But I want the echo on my voice when I introduce just like, ladies and gentlemen, just hilarious. Like, what this thing got? I'm with the auto tune on it. Put the auto tune on my voice. Yeah, this is about to be live, man. Sold out. We sold out tonight. So there will be answers in every seat in here. This is beautiful. This is what dreams are made of.
It was kind of like a year ago.
Somebody said, I'm not wearing my red beanie on the stage. I'm not gonna wear the red beanie. I'm gonna maybe do some poetry. Liquid brown, liquid pools of love. Check.
Yeah, I think it's like
Test the sound. See how London sounds.
like 5 or 6 hours.
Check it out. Make sure it sounds good.
Alone in a room. It's just me and you.
Okay. She said,
Okay, Jessica Robinmore the third. Are you ready? Jessica Robinmore the third. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You ready to kill this show tonight? It wasn't to this day a month ago, but you were scared. And here we come to the stage, Jessica Robinmore the third.
ooh.
Hey,
Jessica Robinmore the third. All right, cool.
Oh yeah, right here. Oh my God, do you want?